Jai Srimannarayana. 10th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yogi Yunjita Satatam Atmanam Rahasi Sthitaha Ekaki Yatachittatma Nirasihi Aparigrahaha. Om. Make it as a daily routine to apply your mind with full concentration upon yourself, that is Atma. Think about Atma every day. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending to every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall make it as a daily routine to apply my mind with full concentration upon my own self. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensible enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that how Parikshit Narendra, Yayati's fourth son is Anu. Anu has 3 sons. They are Sabhanara, Chakshuvu, Pareshnuvu. Sabhanara gave birth to Kalanara. Kalanara son is Srunjaya. Srunjaya's son is Janamejaya. And Janamejaya's son is Mahasala. Mahasala's son is Mahamanu. Mahamanu has 2 sons, Usinara, Titikshu. Usinara has 4 sons, Sibi, Vara, Krumi, Daksha. Sibi gave birth to Vrishadarbha, Sudhira, Madra, Kekaya. And Titikshu's son is Rushadradhu. His son is Homa. Homa's son is Sutapu. Sutapa's son is Bali. And Bali, his wife, gave birth to Anga, Vanga, Kalinga, Sukhma, Pundra, Odra, 6 sons. They ruled the kingdoms. Chakruhu Svanamna Vishayan Shadiman Prachyakamschate. Whatever the kingdoms they ruled, those kingdoms became famous with their own names. So Anga's son is Kalapana. Kalapana's son is Diviradha. Diviradha's son is Dharmaradha. And his son is Chitraradha. Chitraradha's son is Romapada. Romapada doesn't have children. Dasharatha gave his own daughter Santa to Romapada. And after that, Rishyasringa married to Santa. Rishyasringa was called anywhere where there are no rains. So with the help of Rishyasringa, by doing Putra Kameshti, Dasharatha got blessed with children. Romapada also got blessed by a child with the blessing of Rishyasringa. His name is Chaturanga. Chaturanga's son is Prudhulaksha. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Smadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 10th sloka. Yogi Yunjita Satatam Atmanam Rahasi Sthitaha Ekaki Yata Chittatma Nirashihi Aparigraha. Yogi Yunjita Satatam Atmanam Rahasi Sthitaha Ekaki Yata Chittatma Nirashihi Aparigraha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.